It was signed into law back in April by the governor, but the red flag law, which allows family members and law enforcement to obtain extreme risk protection orders, takes effect January 1st. Tonight, the problem solver's asking, what steps do you need to take guns away from someone you know? Well, tonight, the forms and qualifications are on the state website. It's 5 pages long and inquires about your relationship to the person with the guns. It asks questions like whether they, quote, threatened use of unlawful physical force, and for the quantities, types, and locations of all firearms. Sheriff Tony Spurlock of Douglas County,
we're prepared for January to come.
Tells us his department is ready and where you should turn in your forms.
If a citizen wants to do that, the process by law is to come to the court, and then the court would make the decision at that point if they would turn it over to the sheriff's office.
Question number 2, who would represent the gun owner in court?
I'll be one of those attorneys.
Well, attorneys like Claire McGuire Elster. The state now has a list of lawyers, and taxpayers will pay for the gun owner's legal fees. Within 14 days of having an order issued, a gun owner can petition the court to get them back.
It's our job to make sure that due process is held. Each individual respondent will be different. Obviously, I expect that most clients will want to maintain their right to have firearms.
One thing that's unclear is how many people will actually take advantage of this. Remember, the court is looking for whether the person may cause harm to themselves or others. District Attorney George Brockler, who was against this originally, says it's the law now, and everyone has a responsibility to follow it.
It's on the books. It's the law of the land, and I'm going to continue to do my duty.